Hey y'all, good morning, good morning. Um, got Mars to school already and getting things cleaned up around here because as you can see, um, I do live in, my room is in the garage, so I have to clean up everything. Always kind of keep up more than a month, maybe 3 times in a month that I keep everything, all my stuffed toys and all that. Here's a look at, check it out. I put my Hello Kitty pillow cover. It's Halloween. Here I got this. Crystal got that for Mars for his birthday. Super cute. Okay, I'm just showing you random things in my room. Okay, just randoms today, real quick. Real quick, like, yeah, my do-rag, my splat do-rag. Got my robe on again today before I head out and get my boy later on. With this little octopus with the ice cream cone on his head. Who threw the ice cream cone on your head, baby? Who knows? I don't know. It's super cute though. And of course, the big worm that I have on my bed. It's a double bed here. Mars sleeps up on the top, so I have to make sure I dust down everything. It's a pain in the butt. Yup, just randoms. Look who I have up in the wall. Oh, divine. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Just randoms. And I wanted to show everybody this. Okay. So Nightmare Before Christmas items. Okay, check it out. We have, my mom has been collecting over time, so we have this cute Christmas tree. It does light up. Okay. We have the dog. So I'm going to demonstrate what they do because a lot of them do things. So let me see. Have to push it. I don't know where to push it at. There we go. Ah, he done failed, had a heart attack. Ooh. And he cute. Oh my God, he moving all over the place. Ah. Oh my God. He went all over the place. Hi. Oogie boogie. That's right. Ain't that cute? We got this dude. He really don't make anything, but he's just a plushie. And then he has this sad face. Okay. Super cute. That's me. Alright. Oh, thank you, Mr. Oogie Boogie, for that lovely duet. And we have here Jack. Just super cute. And then we have this, which I know I've showed before. So we'll show it again. It spins. Okay. That's enough spinning for me. I'm gonna get dizzy. Next up we have, okay, some 2 big props right now. Got this one last year because it was on the sale right when Halloween was done with, and bear with me because she is loud as fuck. She loud as fuck. She's loud. So I mean, if I had this propped outside, she do the job. Like, she scared the hell out of people. So bear with it. Here we go. Oh, dang. Ooh, calm down. Okay, I'll let you out in a minute, Hamza. Okay. Ooh, you going out, folks. Last prop right here. Big prop. This is my mom's. Okay, I don't know exactly what she does, but check her out. She got a bag over her head because my mom keeping her, ooh, those hands. Ooh, girl, you need your nails did. Okay, she's a whole body, feet and all. Okay. And let's see the reveal on her face. Oh, girl. Oh, no. I don't know about her. I think she needs some makeup. Is this what I look like in the morning? Shit, put a bag over my head. Nah. Okay. No, but I think what she does is she probably does some jerking move or something. So she's supposed to look like the Exorcist type of thing. Pretty cool. Like, I guess she do the what she do. She probably does that crawling movement, y'all. So yeah. So those are my my guest of the evening, I guess, or of the morning. So yeah, that's it, folks, for right now. Showing quick props that we have so far. Yeah. So have a good rest of your day. Hopefully, I can film a little bit more on what I have, or I'll decide. All right, y'all. Peace.